Hi, today we're going over section 4.8a, which is inequalities. So we're splitting this section into two parts. So we'll go over some things about inequalities before getting into it. So inequalities do not have an equal sign. Instead, they use one of four other signs. So we've got less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. Solutions for inequalities are represented by number lines. When drawing number lines, there are two types of dots. Here's what's known as an open dot, which is just a circle like that. And there's what's known as a closed dot, which is filled in. The closed dot indicates that we're including the starting number where the dot is. Open dot indicates the starting number is not part of our solution. Now our open dot is used when we have less than or greater than. Our closed dot is used when we have our equal to in our sign. So we'll do some examples of some number lines. Okay, so for this first one, x is equal or greater than 3. Because it's equal, we know it's a closed dot, and then we'll go to where we have our 3 value. So we put our dot there, and then we draw an arrow coming from our dot in that direction of the values that work in our equation. So if I were to say put a 2 in here, we'd have 2 is greater than 3. That doesn't make sense. Or if we put a 4 in, 4 is greater than 3. That does, so we'll draw our arrow that way. Next one, we don't have our equal to, so it's going to be an open dot at 2. It's less than 2, so our arrow will be going that way. Next one, we've got 5 is less than x, so therefore our arrow is going to go to the right. Now we'll do one where we have to rearrange before we put it on a number line. So I would subtract 3 from both sides. So we've got 2x is less than 2. Divide both sides by 2. X is less than 1. And then put it on a number line. So we've got x is less than 1. So we have our circle at 1. And it's going to the left. Next example, solve 8 minus 3x is equal or less than 12. So move the 8 to the other side. So we have negative 3x is equal or less than 4. Divide both sides by 3. Negative 3. Now when we divide by negative, numbers changes the direction of our inequality. So it becomes x is equal or greater than negative 4 over 3. Draw out our number line. So we've got negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1. Go to negative 4 over 3. And it says x is greater than it, so our arrow is this way. Now for some practice work for a section, I have a worksheet for you.